guys, it's Luke and Maelee TV. Luke is not with us today, and so you see there's slimes in front of us, and we're going to make a slime later on. But I got too excited, so we're gonna make these first.
Whoa, what is this?
They're food slimes. You can feel like them. So we have mac and cheese. It looks and feels like mac and cheese.
Okay, I need you to keep it still.
We have chili. It looks and feels like chili. And then we have spaghetti. It looks and feels like spaghetti. Walmart.
Yeah, we went yesterday to buy our supplies so we could make slime today and video it and put it on. Like, we'll make a bunch of different kind of slimes, like glow in the dark and just different colors and different things. But we ran into this stuff and we're really interested in it.
So let's open it. Okay.
So which one are you opening first?
Macaroni. Because I'm gonna say my favorite food for last. Spaghetti is my favorite food. I love spaghetti. Comment down below what your favorite food is.
Need some help opening? Okay.
So they come in these fancy cartons, and you can just open them.
Move out the way, Trey.
So,
why are we still sitting in bed?
Because it's morning time.
Someone was a little bit too excited to try this food slime because we bought it yesterday. So she was a little bit too excited and did not want to wait. So we're still sitting in bed.
I did not want to wait.
Let me show you this box while she gets that bag open. Wait, let me close it here. So yeah, it's macaroni and cheese slime. I can't imagine how disgusting this is going to be.
The cheese is slime.
Oh, so the cheese is slime. Is that real macaroni? Like
I think this is real noodles.
Open and see. You like real noodles do that. They feel like kind of like cooked noodles.
Yeah. But okay, so now that this is boiling, it's time for cheese. 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 How? Be careful how you cut the cheese. Go that.
Oh, bad joke. Cut the cheese. Okay. Looks just like the cheese packet. It probably is about as nutritionally balanced as the cheese packets that you get from the store.
Oh shit. It kind of, it feels like real cheese. But it's sticky. So guys, if you want some macaroni, come to me. What? So
mix them up.
Let's mix noodles with cheese for macaroni.
You probably have to mix them on your tray. It looks like that little container is kind of small to do the mixing.
Let's move everything out the way. So, I'm going to lay my cheese down for you guys. Could you show me what you're letting me? I'm pulling the noodles on. So, there's a decent amount of noodles on here. I don't know what to do with this decent amount of noodles with my macaroni.
Doesn't seem to be sticking very good.
No. But it's sticking to my hands. So, I'm going to do this and then dip my slime in it. Try to get all the noodles I can from it. It's not sticking very well. Okay, so now we have some noodles in. Let me hold it.
Yeah, I'd say the noodles kind of mix in kind of easily, but they don't stay in very good. So, I would give this product, I don't know.
So 1 out of 10, what would you give it?
The slime feels okay, but it's a little slimy.
I would give the actual slime without the noodles a 10.
Oh, not me.
But with the noodles, I'll give it like a 3.
Yeah, I think with the noodles, I'd probably give it about a 3 because it's really hard. You can get them in there, but then when you start
it just falls out.
When you start to play with it, they fall out.
You see what I mean, guys?
Yeah, they don't stick in there. Like when you try to stick other ingredients in slime, these don't hold well. So, on to the
chili.
The chili. We're going to give the chili, we're going to pick up the macaroni and cheese and give the chili a try and see how that works. Okay, now we're back with the chili. And it comes with
sauce.
Pack of sauce.
Tomato sauce. Beans.
And a pack of beans. Those beans look like real beans. I'm anxious to see how this one will do.
Yeah, so first I'm going to do my slime this time. So, it's alive! Okay, so, I don't know. It's so hard. This is how I open all my slimes when they're in a Ziploc bag. I have to take the bag and pull it out so I can get all the slime from it. So, okay. So let's get these beans open. So,
use those freaking nails, girl.
okay. So, my grandma's opening it because I can't.
Yeah, and Yaya didn't like the way she was holding the scissors, so.
Yeah, I don't know how because I'm left-handed. It's hard to do everything. I want left-handed scissors. So here's this sauce. This sauce. So let's get the beans. People love beans. Oh, that's way too.
Again, you might have to pour it out on your tray to get it all mixed in. I don't think it'll mix very good like that.
Those, I want to eat that.
Yeah. It does look like it's real.
It does look. Well, I'm really excited for the spaghetti because that's my favorite food. I want to see how it turned out.
Okay, let's see if we can.
And again, what is your favorite food? Comment down below.
Let's see if we'll have any better luck with this. Beans. Show us how the slime works before you even put the beans in. Like, does it have that? Does it make that? Is it stretchable? Does it make that sound that everybody likes when you stick your fingers in it?
It's really hard to stretch. So you have to kind of. Oh, it's really hard to stretch. So let me see if. Kinda.
I bet you could make a little bubble with it, but we just don't have the space right now. So the slime itself is pretty good.
Yeah, but it's really hard to stretch. Like, stretch it, Yaya?
Well, that's okay. I'll stretch it later, honey.
Yeah, it's really hard to stretch, guys. I really recommend you guys having this because it's really awesome.
It's a cool color, but
last
let's
time-
see how the beans, if the beans will go in it.
Yeah. So
We'll give that a try and we'll be right back.
I did fit all of them in. It is better than the macaroni, but
What do you mean by better than the macaroni? What does it do?
like you can fit all these in. You can play with it you can play with it more. It's really nice. And 1 out of 10 for the real slime, I would give it like for the stretch of the slime, I would give it like a 2. But for the bean with the slime, I would give it 10.
You give it that high? I wouldn't give it that high.
Yeah.
I would. You can put the beans in it. If you put all the beans in, they're going to come out. But you can put most of the beans in and still play with it. I like the slime. It's just like the yellow one. I like the slime. But I don't know that I would buy it again as a product.
Yeah, no.
But it's pretty cool. I mean, if you want to fool somebody, if you want to play a prank, I really think the chili could do it.
Yeah.
It looks just like chili.
Yeah, I think you could pull a prank too.
Okay, so this is the chili. Now, sorry about the vessel that it's in, because this is what it comes with. And like I said, we're still in bed, so we didn't get up. But the chili, put some granary on there or something, or some rice. Yeah, look, I'm from the South. I eat rice with everything, including my chili. But put some crackers with it, or even a hot dog, or whatever you want. And you could probably fool somebody. What do you think, Maelee?
Yeah, and in our house, I love pranks.
Yeah, we do like to do pranks, but if I served you that on a plate,
Yeah.
would you probably try to eat it?
Yes.
Yeah, so that one looks pretty real. So now for the final one.
The spaghetti. Yum.
The spaghetti. She was really excited about this.
This is my favorite food.
I gotta say, these noodles.
Look real. And they feel real.
Yeah, they look so real. I don't know what they made this out of.
I think it's rubber because it feels like rubber. Like, feel it. So,
Take them all out.
it's hard because, it's like rubber, so rubbery that I can't even get it out.
They look like real noodles. And I am a noodle nut. I would eat these noodles. Or not really, but I would probably try to if I would think it was real. Okay, now what about the sauce?
I would eat these.
So that's kind of that tomato sauce that's on the chili. Kind of
Yeah.
looks similar to that.
But you put tomato sauce. Comment down below what you put on your spaghetti. Because I put meat. I put meatballs. I put all kinds of stuff.
Cheese on top.
And I also love to put olives. I'm
Yes.
addicted to put olives in my spaghetti.
Yeah, Maelee likes to cook, and she's learning how to not be afraid with adding items.
That.
Yeah. So in fact, with the chili, her and her brother have already made. We've been in 2 chili contests, and the first year they
Both win.
both made a chili together, and it won. And last year, Luke's chili won. So they're really good at
And I
cooking.
would feel bad to my grandma. Bought me this best granddaughter ever trophy. So
Okay, try to mix those.
So this is a technique my Yaya taught me. So you
Not for your regular spaghetti though, for adding stuff to the slime. So let's give it a try.
So you do this. Oh, guys, we forgot to do the finger.
Ooh, I hear it. Yeah, so that's some good slime. So we're gonna have some slimes to play with for sure, even if we don't use it with the foods, we'll have some weird color slimes to play with. Ew.
I already have like this big pink slime.
So let's see if we can get on those noodles. Ooh. Ooh, that looks like a big blob of spaghetti with sauce. Does it seem like the spaghetti's mixing in pretty good?
Yeah.
Better than the macaroni?
And the chili.
And the chili?
It's the
Cool,
best.
yeah, it does look like it.
So I would give the slime.
All right, now that we made all 3 of them, your yummy spaghetti, would you eat that spaghetti?
Yes.
Yeah, let's put some little garlic bread on there. You can play a prank to somebody.
Yeah.
So were they fun?
Yes.
Will you play with them again?
Yes.
Will you play with the slime minus like the food part, minus the beans, minus the noodles, and minus the spaghetti?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the slime's pretty cool. We like the slime.
Yes.
Okay, so this is what May was talking about with the magic writing slime. I do want to say all of these slimes, the magic writing slime and the food slimes, are all put out by Slime Factory. So if you wanted them, they're not paid, and we're not getting paid for this. We're not, they're not sponsoring us or anything, but just want to let you know it's Slime Factory, and we got it at Walmart.
Yes.
So Maelee's excited to try this right on. It's this slime that comes in this little kit, and then it comes with this little laser pen. So when you write on it with the pen. So let's let her get started and see how this works.
You take this out.
How does the slime feel? Is it?
Watery.
Oh, it's one of those watery ones.
It's like really, it's not really sticky. Like, if I do this. So, let's see how this works. Oh, that blue's coming up.
So it makes it a little bit darker. Can you actually write a smiley face or something?
Let me see. Get it in a perfect smiley face.
Or write your name or something.
I was trying to write my name, M.
Hello, Rocket. Are you slime too?
This is a doggy.
Are you coming to play with this slime too?
Rocket.
Okay.
So let's write a smiley face or my name. Maybe I'll write. Okay.
Okay, just do a smiley face. I don't see a smiley face. Yeah, I guess you have to hold it long. There you go.
I have to do that because that's way too much.
Okay. There we go.
Then nose.
It fades fast, I see. But so that's how that works. But the battery's dying on here, and it's time for Maelee to go do her e-learning today since she missed a lot of school during the week.
I'm gonna try to.
So we're gonna get that done. We're gonna go get her e-learning done. I've got some work to do, and we'll be back this afternoon to make our slime. See you all then.
Turn it.